to wish Amaya a happy birthday.
Yes, we are.
We love you.
Very much.
We send you kisses. Okay. We wish we could toast you, but we don't have anything there, and you know that we wish we were there. So we have flowers for you and something else coming, and we have a little song that we wanted to sing for you. We couldn't do the Hebrew song, so we came up with this. Okay?
Ready?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Stop it. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
I want to wish you a Merry.
Wait a minute, that's wrong. That's
What?
really wrong.
What? Oh, it's not
Christmas.
It's not
her
Christmas.
birthday.
It's her birthday.
Oh my God.
Oh,
okay,
God.
so we couldn't learn
All
it,
right.
and that's.
We were trying Hebrew. We couldn't figure out how to do it.
No, we're really messing this
No.
up. All right, why don't we do it the regular way? We'll just sing Happy Birthday in English since we are in the United States, and we better quick and say I love you with this toy because Harley really loves. Harley says, "See,
that's not it.
That wasn't it." Okay. Well, Harley's going to take the toy away since that got messed up, and let's just sing to her, "Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Amaya, happy birthday to you." And many more. I love you, honey. You know we're crazy. Mwah! Harley loves you too. Wait, maybe it'll say, "I love you" now.
Oh, we'll try it again. No.
Never mind. Bye-bye.
I think Harley's tearing up. Bye.